Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with essentials. Warm the Duke 250 to operating temperature so readings stay stable, and confirm the air filter and spark plug are clean. Once done, park on level ground, kill the engine but keep the ignition on for meter checks, and connect a tachometer if you want precision. Make sure you have the idle screw and throttle stop reachable. You're now set to make controlled adjustments. Small changes matter, so plan to change one thing at a time. You'll focus on the throttle stop and fuel mixture next. With the engine running, turn the idle screw in quarter-turn steps and listen as RPM reacts. Give 10 to 15 seconds for the engine to stabilize after each move. Use the tachometer to move toward the factory idle RPM and avoid overshooting. If the bike has a mixture screw, adjust it slowly to smooth transient behavior. Make sure to recheck throttle play and that the throttle snaps back cleanly. Improper play masks RPM problems. You finish by confirming stability. Let the engine run 3 to 5 minutes, then recheck RPM and fine-tune the idle screw to hit the target. Once satisfied, secure any lock nuts and make sure cables are routed without binding. If RPM hunts, surges, or the bike stalls, suspect vacuum leaks, an out-of-sync carburetor, or a faulty TPS, check hoses and sync with a manometer. If adjustments worsen behavior, return to the last known good setting and get
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.